Hello, 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 my gorgeous and my beautiful shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds. How is everyone? Good, I hope. Okay, you guys, so we are in our amazing, fully functional, new, remodeled kitchen. Yes, yes, yes to the dress. And I am doing stuffed mushrooms, or we are, because my husband's helping. So we're doing my famous stuffed mushrooms, and you guys, I promise you, these mushrooms will, oh my God, get you addicted, okay? So I get the stuffed mushrooms, and I bought 4 smaller packs. That's what you're seeing here. You're going to take the stem out, you know, the stem out of the center, open it up, rinse them, okay? And then you're going to get 2 16-ounce packs of bacon, okay? Yeah, we got to have the bacon. Got to have the bacon in the making. So the bacon, we are using our Ninja Foodie Grill to do the honors, so our stove don't have to get troubled with grease, okay? But, so we're going to do both packs of that bacon. Once you do that, you guys, you are going to literally crunch it up into the smallest pieces that you can make so that they fit in the mushrooms. And then you are going to saute in a pot like this. You're going to put some of that bacon grease out of there into here. And you are going to saute some onions, okay? And the onions have to be cubed as well, or chopped as well. And the onions that we got, you guys, they make everything so flippin' easy now, is these. They're already flippin' chopped, okay? And, yeah, diced yellow onions, alrighty? So that's what you're going to do. You're going to saute them. Then you're going to also get you 2 packs of cheese, mild cheddar cubed cheese, okay? Those are going to go on top when we are done stuffing these babies, okay? So that's that. Now, what we're going to add to that, we are going to mix that crushed bacon in with these sauteed onions that are coming out of bacon grease. Then we are going to add mayo, and I bought Hellmann's. Okay, guys, it's the best, okay? Come on now. Anyway, Hellmann's, the best mayo ever. And I got some Lee and Parents, another of the best Worcestershire sauce, all right? You're going to add that. Then you're going to add some crushed red pepper. Oh, guys. Oh, and get McCormick, the best, okay? I am not an all-name brand person, but some things you cannot skimp on, guys. Let's face it, all right? Let's just face that fact. So this is the crushed red peppers. They're amazing. And then you're going to add you some salt. And look at these cute little salt and pepper shakers I got. I got those from City Trends, you guys. They were so adorable, I thought. And they're from Faberware, no less, okay? Which is another great thing. Oh, and my husband's having him a drink today that he has made up. We are entertaining some guests tomorrow. So that's why we're doing all this. We have some guests. Oh, and my daddy got me these. I got some roses with a beautiful vase I picked out, you guys, for Mother's Day. And then my husband got me a beautiful tennis bracelet from Zales. And I will show y'all that too in the future. And this is what he made his drinks with.
Bitters.
Okay.
Black cherry bitters.
Black cherry bitters.
Sweet vermouth.
Sweet vermouth.
And seltzer water.
And seltzer water, guys. And the drink tastes yummy dummy. All right? It's yummy dummy, and I don't drink, okay? So, you guys, I'm in a dilemma too. I need y'all's response on this. I want to send y'all a video on a boat ride we took, but I can't because I can't seem to erase the background music and add new music and keep my voice also when I'm talking and just play it in the background. So if anybody knows anything, well, I get binged if I just play the darn music off the radio, you guys. It's real good.
Like back in the 70s.
Or 80s, actually, I think. But 70s? Really good music, guys. And it fit the boat ride so flippin' amazingly. And I wanted to share it with y'all. I have it ready on my channel, but I haven't released it because I want to know if I just release it with the regular people that, you know, the artist that sings it originally, am I going to get binged? Are they going to mark my channel or something, like give me a mark against me? Or can I go ahead and release it and use the music and just not monetize it? So, hey, in the comments below, please tell me, what can I do? Can I just play it the way it is and not monetize it and not get in trouble?
It was a good boat ride.
It was a great boat ride. It was great. And I got these new carpets. Yes.
Hey, that sweet vermouth has 16% alcohol and the seltzer water 5. So.
And my husband's feeling it. That's what he's trying to say, guys. Is he says, "Wow." He's like, I'm feeling this. I'm already feeling this drink, baby. And I'm like, well, what the heck? What the heck did you do?
Italian night tomorrow.
Yeah, he's Italian, and he loves to entertain, so he loves to cook, and that's why this kitchen had to be redone and functionable, okay? And it's very functionable, and I love it. And I got these carpets the other day at City Trends too, guys. If y'all don't know about City Trends, oh my God, y'all better get you some, okay? Get you some, all right? So yeah, our place turned out fully functional, guys. Our kitchen is amazing, and I'm just very happy.
For a TVO drink, which I have here, which she just described, prepares your digestive system for a 4-course Italian meal.
Oh, y'all heard that? Yeah, like it helps your palate too and stuff. So, yeah.
It's all bull.
It's all here. No, it's not. I'm sure it does.
Italians eat very late, so when they get off of work at 6 o'clock, they have their
drink
with their little appetizers to prepare their stomach for the big meal about to come.
Oh yeah, y'all heard that? Yummy dummy up, yummy dummy up. That's what me and my baby's doing. So once I mix this, I'm gonna show y'all the mixture, and I'm gonna show y'all. Get my husband to video me stuffing a couple so that you get the general idea. I'm sure y'all do anyway. But hey, you guys, I swear, if you ain't never had any stuffed mushrooms like this, they are the best, the flipping best. So I will see y'all very shortly for the next steps. Okay, so he's removing our bacon. Look how beautiful that bacon is out of my Ninja Foodie Grill. You guys, I bought that for my husband 2 Christmases ago, and it rocks, I'm telling y'all. Anyway, that's our bacon. We're going to crunch it all up like this, and then saute our onions. So, okay, guys, now we just sauteed the onions in the bacon grease, and that's what it looks like, okay? Then you're going to add it to your crushed bacon. I wish I had more onions. Maybe not. I think this might be okay. I'm hoping I even have enough to stuff all these with, y'all, because I bought 4 packs of mushrooms, but I always do. Or either 2 big packs or 4 smaller packs. Now that's just so you have a lot, because honey, you're going to want a lot. And so now, yeah, I need a little more onions probably, but it'll have to do. Yeah, that looks pretty good, you guys, right? I could have used some more onions, but I think it'll be fine. Now, honeys, we are going to step over on our other counter, and Diamond is going to put some yummies in it, okay? So, I'll let my husband record some of this. Okay, you guys, so here we go. That's your bacon and onion, right? Right. Then you are going to put some Hellmann's mayonnaise, okay? And you're just going to put this until it, you'll know. I'll show you. You want a certain consistency. You want to make sure you have enough that it's going to stick everything together, okay? Because you're going to put this, stuff your mushrooms with it, so you want the mayonnaise to kind of stick it together for you. Yes, oh my God, y'all, you just don't know how good this is, I'm telling y'all. I know I need to add a little salt too in the end. I'm gonna put a little more because as y'all can see, there's still some dry spots, so go ahead and add, that was 3 tablespoons, 4, 5. I think that'll be plenty. And you just kind of mix it all up, girl. Mix it all up. Oh man, you guys. I'm telling y'all will thank me for this recipe if you do it. I promise. Everyone that's ever tried these has fell in love. They are different than most stuffed mushrooms. The ingredients are superb for stuffing mushrooms. So that looks pretty good, I guess. It still looks a little dry in some spots, but you don't want to make it too wet. I might add a little more though. Then you take your crushed red peppers. Now this is going to give it a hotness, not a hot, but it's going to spice it up, guys. So I put a pretty good bit of crushed red peppers, but you can do this to your taste buds, okay? You don't have to put as much as me. I like a lot. I like that bite that it gives that's what makes this really good, is them crushed red peppers, guys. So I'll taste it, probably add a little more because this is a lot. And then you're just gonna you just kind of shimmy, shake, you know? Some Worcestershire in it, okay? And I've got a lot here, so I'm feeling like I might have to put a little extra of everything in this. But let me test it really quick.
Another spoon.
This one.
No, another spoon.
Okay, let me test this little thing and see if it's got enough. Oh my God. That's good. That's really good. I'm gonna put a little more of everything. Now, if you overdo the crushed red peppers, it will be a little hot, so I don't want to overkill, but I want enough, okay? And a little tiny more of mayonnaise, not much. Just enough to go on in there. And then we're going to stuff it. I'm going to add a little salt to this contraption. And then I'm thinking that might do it. So let's add a little salt, you guys. And I don't know how much to tell y'all. You just kind of use your own. Uh-oh, this ain't open. And I can't get it open. I tried.
There's another one up there, baby.
Alright, guys. So you're going to just use your, you know, just add some salt. It doesn't have to be a whole lot of salt. Salt is just an extra. But you do want it. Salt adds a little bit more good flavor to this. Now let me taste this one. Let's see, do I need more salt or anything else? Oh, man. That's good. No more salt. Plenty of salt. So y'all seen it didn't take much salt. Be careful because I almost added too much just now. I didn't add much, but taste this, honey. I'm going to let my husband have a taste test. Do you think it needs more red peppers? Is the salt too much? I hope not.
Excellent.
It's excellent? It's excellent, dang it. That's pretty good, huh? Okay, so I think we're good on that. You could taste the hot pepper and the salt. Okay?
And the bacon.
And the bacon, oh, of course.
Should I preheat the oven?
Yeah, we can do that. Let me just stuff a couple. I'm going to stuff a couple
All right.
for y'all, and we're done with this, okay? So, you guys, you're going to thank me for it. You're going to thank me, I promise. So then you're going to take, you know, whatever, of course, and just put enough in them, like that. And then you're going to put a cube of mild cheddar on top of these. Pop them in the oven on 350 for 30 minutes. If you see it's done way before, you know, in 20 minutes you can stop, but basically around 30 minutes. And they should be superb. So there you have it, you guys. Diamond Debbie's recipe for stuffed mushrooms. My gorgeous and beautiful shiny diamonds. This is the finished mushrooms. So yeah, and we did it 30 minutes. I'm thinking though, guys, you could do it 20 minutes on 350. You know, somewhere around that, 20 to 25 minutes. Because these look a little, you know, but they're gonna be, oh my God, so good. Yum. Oh my goodness. They're really good. They're really good, guys. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy. See you in the next video.